Hey guys, happy Monday. I hope it's a little bit better weather where you are. It's kind of rainy and nasty today here, but I want to show you how to make something that I've been actually wanting to make for a while. I've never made it before, but I've been looking into it. If your kids have trouble sleeping, or if they're scared of monsters in the closet or anything under the bed, raise your hand. I know that a lot of kids struggle with fears at night and just being able to settle down, and our girls don't have a ton of trouble with that, but lately, especially Jade, my 3-year-old, has had a really hard time. So I'm gonna make, it's kind of called, some people call it the boogeyman spray, the monster away spray. She's not really scared of anything particular. She just has a really hard time being just scared of everything. When she's calming down, worrying about everything. Hey, Caitlin. So this is just a really easy spray. It's kind of versatile. We're going to make it and spray it. You can spray it on the pillows, on the bed. If you want to spray it under the bed or wherever they have their fear from, you could say, it's a monster away spray for the closet. It's kind of really versatile, so help them sleep really good. So all we need is this is a 4-ounce glass bottle. You can get these on Amazon. There's a ton of different places you can get these. And then I've got some witch hazel. And the witch hazel, basically, it just helps the oils mix better with the water. So the oils I'm going to use are lavender and Valor and white angelica. So hey Kathy, I bet it's nicer where you are. It's like 35 here, rainy and crappy. So lavender is very calming, of course, very calming, good for sleep. Valor was actually named, it's a blend that Gary Young developed, and it was named because it's the oil of courage. So it's a really good oil, for their fears at night. I actually use this oil every day on my wrists. It's kind of good for overcoming fears. And then white angelica is really good for anxious thoughts, just releasing the negativity. I use this one pretty much every day also, and it encourages positive thoughts. So I think a blend of these three is going to work really good for Jade. A couple other ones that are really good to use. If your kids struggle with bad dreams specifically, or nightmares, juniper is really good. We've used juniper for specific bad dreams. If they start having a certain dream that they get stuck on, I'll use this one in the diffuser. And then patchouli is another good calming one. And then another one I really like is Peace and Calming. It's a blend specifically by Young Living. It's got a couple different oils in it. It's got tangerine, orange, ylang ylang, patchouli, and blue tansy. So this one's just really good for calming too. I use this one for sleep sometimes also. So depending, Young Living has a blend called Dream Catcher. So I actually have a sample of it. It smells really good. It works really good for my oldest, but this is specifically for my 3-year-old. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take whatever oils you decide to use for a 4-ounce bottle. I don't think you need more than 15, maybe 20 drops at the most of essential oil in it. I'm going to do 15. I'm going to do 5 of Valor. So put in the Valor. Valor's kind of cool because it's blue. And another thing I was going to add is some of these darker oils. Some of the oils are clear, but some of Valor has blue tansy in it, so it's got like a blue tint. So if you have white sheets, you don't want to spray it right on there. We don't have white sheets. So then I'm going to do 5 drops of lavender. And again, it doesn't have to be exact. You can do whatever you think. It's also going to smell really good too, so it'll kind of double as like a linen spray. And then 5 drops of the white angelica. And if you struggle, kids, this is mainly for kids, but if you struggle with having a hard time sleeping at night, or just settling down, or worries and anxious thoughts, this would work good for adults too. So I think I got 5. So then I'm just going to put 5 drops. Then I'm just going to do about half witch hazel, just to kind of disperse the oils. And it basically helps, instead of just mixing the whole bottle with water. That way when you spray it, the oil and water, whoop, I got a leak somewhere. The oil and water won't just separate. And then I'm just going to fill the rest with water. And I think I'm going to call this, since she's not really scared of anything particular, I'm just going to call it, sleepy time spray or something like that. I have to think about or Be Brave spray would be a good name. So you just kind of mix it up, stick a label on it, and then I could just spray on their pillows, spray around them. My kids use all these oils anyway, so can even, you know, say close your eyes and spray a mist on their head and just kind of make it like a safety blanket type thing. So anyway, I don't know if you guys have ever made anything like this, but thank you guys for watching. Thank you to those of you watching on the replay. If you have any ideas, something you want to see me make, please leave it in the comments. I love getting new ideas and just helping you try new stuff. So hope you guys have a great rest of the week and stay warm and dry. Bye.